Hey everybody, welcome back to Disturbing Creations, and today I'm going to teach you how to save a little more money and fix screws that are broken. So I have these really nice screws with the lock head, but somehow they got bent down here. And you see this one is snapped off. Well, normally people would just throw this away and go spend 50 cents or $1 and buy another one of these. But why would I do that? I am going to put it in a vise flat and cut the threads off here to make it flat. I'm going to also do this one, and then I can use these very nice locking head screws for another project. So if these were 50 cents a piece, this is just an extra $1 that I'm going to save. If I save $1 today, $1 tomorrow, and $1 every other day, in 1 year, I'll save $365. Then I could go out and buy a game system, take a small vacation, go spend the night in Atlantic City since I live here, or anything I want, because I didn't lose the money. So I got the bolt in the vise here. I'm going to take this grinder and I'm just gonna cut it off flat so that I can reuse it. And I want to show you that this can be done easy. Now the grinder's kind of loud, so you're gonna have to bear with me. Now what was that, like a minute? Look how flat that is now. Let me show you. We took this little tiny piece off that was broken, right? And I put no pressure on the tool. And it is completely flat, brand new. And the only thing I was doing at the end was just trying to make that a little flatter. Now it is sharp on the very end, so I do not advise you to grind around the outside, because then you might mess the threads up. But there you go. Look, we went from this to this, and I'm going to do the same thing with this one. And then I'm going to take this little piece of metal and put it in my scrap pile as well, and maybe get 1/100 of a penny for it, you know? So if you have any carriage bolts like this, or any bolts, long ones that you want to save, or more expensive ones, you can always cut them down and make a smaller bolt. This is going to save me money. This is going to save you money. And I did everything with a maybe $20 Harbor Freight grinder, cutoff wheel grinder with a cutoff wheel on it. You could do this with an air tool, electric. I like to do electric because I get my electricity for free from my solar panels and battery backup. So if you think you can do this and save yourself money, then you can also hit that like button, subscribe, and continue to watch all of our great videos on how to save yourself money in the future. We love you all. God bless, and we are out.